Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing the EUHOMY Ice Maker and the OLIXIS Ice Maker. Two popular choices for anyone looking to enjoy quick and convenient ice production. Both machines boast impressive features, including the ability to produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, and an auto-cleaning function. But how do they stack up against each other in terms of price, noise level, and versatility? Let's find out. When it comes to price, the EUHOMY Ice Maker is priced at $89, while the OLIXIS Ice Maker is more budget-friendly at just $69. This makes the OLIXIS a more attractive option for those looking to save money without sacrificing essential features. However, the EUHOMY offers a premium stainless steel design that some users may find worth the extra cost. Next, let's talk about noise levels. The EUHOMY Ice Maker operates at under 45 decibels, while the OLIXIS Ice Maker is designed to be even quieter, operating below 40 decibels. For those who value a peaceful environment, the OLIXIS may be the better choice, especially in quieter settings like small apartments or during gatherings. Finally, let's discuss ice size options. The EUHOMY Ice Maker produces a single size of bullet ice, while the OLIXIS offers the flexibility of 2 selectable ice sizes. This feature allows users to choose between small and large ice cubes, making the OLIXIS a versatile option for different beverage needs. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and OLIXIS Ice Makers have their strengths. The EUHOMY stands out with its premium design and larger water tank, while the OLIXIS offers better value with its lower price and quieter operation. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.